This is Train Friend 1000 here again, seeing another train show. So this is.
I'm Drew, aka Movie Man 94.
Yeah, and we are here to the train show. So let's get moving. Wonderful.
Who are your parents?
I just came here by myself. Yeah. Okay. Wow.
Oh, we got McDonald's right there.
Oh yeah. Wait a second. Yeah, I'm getting it right here. This is kind of fun, actually. Okay, that engine's going slow. I don't know how they got. Whoa. Yeah. Wait a minute. Oh, I get it. She's got the controls. I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember that part on Night Museum?
Really?
Have you seen Night Museum?
Yeah, I have.
Remember that part when you did that cowboy display?
Oh, yeah.
You got hit by the model train?
Yeah. That is kind of funny.
I like how they filmed that part. That was kind of funny. They made it look like a really real plane. That was funny.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? But you want to keep moving, or
Yeah. You get to do this one.
here's some Brio and wind trains. Oh, wait, no, they have the model sets. They have the Thomas the Tank Engine sets.
I can change it.
That's kind of cool. What?
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess you can play with the fire.
Yeah. Wow.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Oops. Well, hopefully I don't fall down. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Look at that. That's really cool right there.
Oh yeah, they're building a house.
Yeah.
And this train is carrying an old engine.
You're an old engine, Paul.
And what makes you say that?
You got an old engine.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this? Yeah. Here's another lake. Fishing.
There's a little cave right there.
Oh, where? Oh, yeah, I see it.
Oh, Goodyear tires over there.
There's a what?
Goodyear tire.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Hey, have you seen cars?
Oh, yes, I have.
Did you notice, like, on the wheel, it says Lightyear tires?
Yeah?
Get it? But Lightyear?
Yeah, I get it because it was on Pixar.
Yeah. Well, Goodyear's is a tire brand. Look, we're trying to make you fun of it, but calling it Lightyear.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Oh, look at that.
Where, right there?
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know what that is.
It's a tanker car.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're called tanker cars. They carry gas, milk, oil, that sort of things.
I don't know about trains.
Yeah, that's fine. I understand. You're like a war person, or
Cars.
oh, cars. Oh, okay.
funny. I don't know anything about cars too. I just like looking at them.
That's cool. Alright, same here. Well, just a little bit on trains.
Oh, it's Pepsi. What's your favorite drink of all time?
Oh, Pepsi, yeah. It's cool.
He's a Coca-Cola person, Tom.
I understand that.
I like Pepsi a little bit better.
Yeah.
And no, not because Monty McFly drunk it and I'm not too sure.
Yeah. You know, I think this lake looks kind of real.
Conway.
Oh yeah, it does. For a moment there, I thought Conway did at a train station, but it didn't.
God, well, it didn't even on the train.
Yeah, but not the train station part. Oh boy, I'm married. Hey. Oh boy. Yeah, hey, really? Yeah, wow. I think they use scenic for the water. Woodland scenic. Oops. I'm coming.
Get the camera on my face.
So, are you pointing at the bridge with your favorite part, or was it the house?
I like that whole part, like how whoever designed that big mountain part. I just like how like they painted in for that.
Right.
Designed it.
Yeah, it is pretty cool. And it's a really deep canyon down there.
Oh, there I got a little bridge.
Yeah, they probably use Woodland Scenics to make this, like I said again. Or I said before, sorry. I'm bad with my sentences for some reason.
I like that right there, how they go in the house. I just like the whole set. I just like the details and stuff like that. It's really cool.
Yeah, it is. There's a mysterious tunnel that no trains ever go in before, or gone in before, sorry. It's mysterious.
It is stuff, but they're just gonna crash.
Yeah, I know. I mean, if you...
It would be cool. If they made it where like the tunnel ends like right there.
Yeah, that would be cool.
And then kind of go over there. That would be kind of cool.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Like so they kind of go on the other side of the track.
Yeah.
That would be kind of neat. Sorry. We're just walking around and around.
Yeah.
I guess you can turn it off now.
Oh yeah, I just wanted to go over to the booth with the old ladies. Did I just say with the old? Never mind. Sorry. All right. Yeah, let's go to the another booth, and then I'll sign out. But let's take a look at this Lionel Thomas and Friends. Okay. There are the two engineers, and there's Percy. I guess I didn't have to count this one. Yeah, let's go this way so we can get a little closer look. Yeah, this is going on YouTube.
Oh, you see the figure 8 over there.
The what?
Figure 8.
Yeah.
It's an ice skate term.
Yeah, I know. It's the most popular track of Lionel history, I heard. Yeah. Alright. I gotta go to, let's go to one last booth and then I'll sign out. What?
Are you taking my picture?
Well, yes. Actually, you're on. You're gonna be on. You three are gonna be on YouTube.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I don't know how to see it.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. So, can you tell me about this booth here?
This booth. This is the welcome booth.
Oh, really?
And where we give away 3 magazines,
Ooh.
and have a display of trains, and then we have giveaway drawings for people to sign up for.
Oh, that's cool. So, do you guys mind if I take some of the magazines? Or?
No, they're free.
Oh, thanks. Whoa.
That's one my husband publishes.
The what?
My husband publishes that magazine.
Oh, really? That's cool.
Can I show you around? You been around?
Yeah, I've been around.
Any questions?
Well, I don't have any questions right now, but if I do, I'll let you know.
'Cause I built most of it.
Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah. Well, this is Train Friend 1000 here signing off.